Hello everyone, this is Dimitar from the RedmineUP support team. In this video demonstration, I'm going to show you how to install the RedmineUP Invoices plugin on a Bitnami stack that is installed on a Linux operating system. So the very first thing that you have to do is to just open your Bitnami stack Redmine and find the Linux manager run file and just double click on it. Here on the Manage Servers tab you have to start all processes. So this is the database and the Redmine server. The web server, I wanted to say. So they are both running now and we are going to double check if everything is fine. So we click Access. And we see that Redmine is successfully running. So we see that we have a couple of plugins installed, and now we are going to install the invoices. Please make sure to install the contacts plugin first, because it is required for the invoices to be able to work. The light free version is enough for this purpose, and you could download it anytime from our site, that is redmineup.com. And here you have to go into the plugins and afterward search for contacts. It is this one, CRM or contacts plugin, it is the same thing. So you have to click on download here and then download now, and the plugin will be sent to your email address. It is going to be automatically and instantly. By the way, the same is valid for the invoices as well. I mean, if you wish, you could also use the light free version of the invoices, not only the pro. So here it is, the invoices light free version. However, if you use the pro version, then you have to go into your license manager and download it there. Alright, so the next step is to open your command line and navigate into your Redmine folder. So here you have to execute the use Redmine file, which is very important. So it is /use Redmine. So now we are into Redmine. Now you have to navigate to core Redmine folder and then apps and then Redmine and then htdocs. Okay, so the next thing is to go to your downloaded zip file. So the pro version and the light free version are installed in the same way, in the same steps. So the first is to just extract your zip file and then go into the inner folder. It is Redmine contacts invoices. So when you copy it, you have to go back to your main Redmine folder and then click on apps and then Redmine and then htdocs and then plugins. Here you have to paste it. Okay, so the next thing is that you have to go back into your command line and execute bundle install. This command is going to install the required gems from the Redmine Contacts Invoices plugin. Okay, we are done. So the next thing is to do the migration. The migration is done with the command bundle exec Redmine plugins, and here on the name it is very important to set the plugin you are trying to install. So in our case it is Redmine Contacts Invoices. So we see that everything is now fine. If there was some error or problem, there should have been some warning message and text, but now everything is running fine. So the very last thing is to just go back into this manager here and restart all processes. So we just wait a little bit. Yeah, now it is restarted, and we go back into our browser and just refresh the page. We have to just wait a couple of seconds here as well, because restarting is taking some time. So we see that the Redmine Contacts Invoices plugin is successfully installed on our Redmine, and we are done with our job. So thank you very much for watching this video, and see you into the next one. Bye bye for now.